In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in SimplePractice. This quick update ensures that your calendar, session times, and automated reminders line up with your actual location, which is crucial for avoiding missed or mistimed appointments. First, log into SimplePractice. Use your preferred browser and make sure you're signing into the correct account for your practice. If you have multiple roles or profiles, double-check that you're in the right place so the changes apply where you expect them to. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll typically find this in the main navigation. From there, choose My Practice, and then select Practice Details. This area houses your core practice information, and the time zone setting lives here because it affects scheduling across your account. Depending on your role, you may need the appropriate permissions to make these changes. If you don't see the option, check with your account owner or administrator. Look for the time zone field. Open the drop-down to view the list of available time zones. It's best to choose the time zone associated with a major city in your region rather than a fixed GMT offset. City-based time zones automatically adjust for daylight saving time when applicable, which keeps your schedule accurate throughout the year. For example, pick a city that reflects where you and your practice are located, or the location you want your schedule to follow. Take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct region, as many cities share similar names but sit in different time zones. After you've selected your desired time zone, click Save or Save Changes, depending on what the button says in your view. Saving applies the new time zone to your account settings, and going forward, your calendar and availability will display according to this choice. This helps keep appointment slots, reminders, and documentation timestamps aligned with your practice's local time. If you recently moved or you're working across different regions, this single update is the key to keeping everything consistent. That's all it takes. By logging in, navigating to Settings, opening My Practice and Practice Details, choosing the correct time zone, and saving, you've ensured your SimplePractice account reflects the right clock. This small adjustment can prevent confusion for you and your clients and keep your schedule running smoothly. If anything looks off after saving, revisit the drop-down to confirm the selection and make sure your changes were preserved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay perfectly in sync with your schedule.